everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you HUMMER H2. It's a year model 2008. I'm going to install interior LED lights. It's very simple and very easy to do it. I have posted a video for my other HUMMER for the interior light. Please check it out. Without wasting any time, let's get started. I'm going to use these lights, and these lights are from Minger, and I'll list the part number under my description, so please check it out. As you see, there is another product, and that's going to be giveaway. In order to win this free giveaway, it's a very easy and simple. You need to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and end of the month I'll announce the winners. So good luck to everyone. Let's open it. These are instructions, and these are the lights. Tie wraps are provided, and these are 4 strips, and this is the lighter switch. If you open it, this one has a fuse inside. Later time not working, this is the way you can troubleshoot. The controller switch, it's on-off switch. You can select multiple combination with these 2 buttons. And these are LED strips and has a double-sided tape. We're going to peel it and we're going to stick it on. We're going to use the tie wraps. So I'm going to show you how it's easy to install it. To install these lights, it's a good idea. Try this out. Already taken out this side, and the other side we can run the wiring underneath. So once you place it here, we can pull it from other side. And this is the LED strip that's gonna go underneath right here. And on this side, this is the panel also. I removed it. So we're going to pull this wiring out. So the controller switch and the lighter, the cigarette lighter adapter will be here. You press it, that's it on. And if you look at the bottom on the floor, these are the 3 lights. Turn the controller switch on. How beautiful LED lighting is. Control, you can do many things. This is how the wiring looks on the passenger side. The wiring is inserted inside, and the controller switch is placed right in here, and the cigarette lighter adapter that turns it on and off. This is the back side, passenger side. This is the driver side, and the wiring is routed right in the middle. And this is how it looks under the driver side. Once the LED is installed, the controller switch, which is also Bluetooth, this one has the Bluetooth application. You need to go to Marketplace and you need to search Groovy Home. That's the application works with the Minger lighting. Then you open it. I already installed it. So after installing Groovy Home, you need to go up on your setting and turn your Bluetooth on. Once the Bluetooth is on, so we're going to open the Groovy Home. I already installed, set it up my device. So once we have LED light on and you press it, this is how it's going to Bluetooth is connected with the Groovy, and it's all done. And if we can turn it on, and you can see, and also it works with the music. So this is a really nice application. You can use this application on iPhone as well. That's how simple and easy. This is the night time. The lights are looking really nice. I really like it. Very nice color. I hope this video is going to help you out. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And for more videos, please check it out on my channel. Thank you.